Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel Beyond Headlines Current Affairs by Lakshmi. Our topic today is India's collaboration with United Nations World Food Programme for uh, taking up the task of fortifying rice project in Nepal. And this project deals with the distribution, procurement and other aspects. And this is one of the four projects that have been in collab with India, that is United Nations Food uh, Program, World Food Program is taking up with us. So what is this? First of all, before going into the whole project, let us first know what is United Nations World Food Program. This is an organization, this is an intergovernmental organization and one of the organizations that belong to United Nations. And this was launched on 19th December 1961. And its headquarters is in Italy, that is the capital of Italy, Rome. And the executive director is Cindy McCain and the deputy is Carl Scow. So this organization addresses the food scarcities and the lack of food and all those related problems across the world. And this year, it has collabed with India for addressing the gap in demand supply for the rice fortification scheme in Nepal. And this includes procurement, management, and beneficiaries, how the end result is going to the beneficiaries. So all these things are the part of this project. So this project was launched on August 1st, 2025, and these projects, as I already told you, address gaps in Nepal and which are mostly related to supply food chain and data collection and also skilled workforce that is necessary for the successful implementation of this project. So, what is the basis of why India is collaborating? Because India has over the decades had a very successful public distribution system. Our public distribution system evolved from manual to currently digital technology. We are using a technological innovation in our public distribution system, which itself is proving as a model for other countries to follow. And this is also the part of South-South cooperation. So the South-South cooperation is uh, cooperation between developing countries. Okay. And North-North cooperation is the cooperation between developed countries, and North-South cooperation is about developed and developing countries. So India and Nepal cooperation is a part of South-South cooperation and to build a stable Asian model. So this project has three phases, and which these phases are to be completed within the time span of 12 months. The first phase involves assessment and stakeholders engagement, who are the part of this project. And the next phase includes a study visit to India, wherein the Nepali officials will be studying our public distribution system, and they'll gain the hands-on experience on how it works, and also expert briefing from the experts in India. So that is the second phase. And third phase is developing a plan of action, how this model can be replicated in Nepal. So this is the whole thing. And before that, we all should know about fortified rice. What is fortified rice? In public distribution system, the government, the very particularly, they have been identified that there is this vulnerable population who is below the poverty line, who are the major beneficiaries of this public distribution system. They are malnourished. So to address this malnourishment, whatever rice that is being distributed through the public distribution system, it is fortified by adding micronutrients and minerals and vitamins, which will in turn help addressing the malnutrition. So the whole process is rice fortification. And this rice fortification helps people to overcome the malnutrition, and especially people, the vulnerable population who are not in a situation to eat healthy food, wherein they have to eat from day-to-day things, and public distribution system is really helpful for them. And even the government addressing this concern, they try to fortify, they fortified rice in fact, and that rice is definitely different from what the regular rice that people eat. So why this is because it is helping them to address the malnutrition aspect. So a Asian population basically, and majority of them suffer from malnutrition due to various reasons. The genetics part of it, the system part of it, and yeah, and then per capita income. All these things together are causing malnutrition. So one aspect at least should be addressed. So that is being what it is done here by fortifying the rice. Okay, so this project, first of all, it identifies the supply gaps, the gaps between the fortified rice supply chain. What is the demand cycle and how far it is being addressed? The demand supply thing, whether it is the gap is huge or manageable or okay. So all these issues will be studied, and to implement this project properly, we need skilled workforce. That also is being addressed, and data collection that plays a very important role. To whom this rice scheme goes, that kind of data, what kind of distribution is happening, who are the direct beneficiaries, all those things, and so those things are studied, and the training aspect is being taken care of by ITEC, that is Indian Technical and Economic Cooperation Program. So these guys will provide the training aspect wherein they will be training the officials from Nepal. And this is not something new because we have been doing that since 2001. And this program also helps in strengthening Indo-Nepal relations, which in turn play a major role in strengthening the Asian relations. So, because Asia, as we all know, is a very rapidly developing area in the world, with majority of the population-wise also Asia is very dense, and technologically we are advancing very rapidly. So, this gives a chance for us to grow even more rapidly and to bring stability to the region, bring much more cooperation to the region, thereby which can accelerate the growth. So, and that's about it. And let us see how this works out. And the training part, yeah, it's taken by the ITEC, taken care of by the ITEC. And that's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.